You don't know how to get a date on dating apps. Lucky for you, I do. So I'll make it simple for you today. 6 messages to get a date, 5 steps. Let's get right into it. So here's step number 1. First, the open loop. Can I be honest? Yes, obviously. And we start with the we frame. Your vibe will match mine amazingly well. So right from the start, we put both of us in the same scenario. That's cool. Here, there's actually 3 possible answers. First of all, she agrees with you, in which case you make the conversation advance. Second option, she asks, you think so? And then you say, yes, and I know something else that would match amazingly well between you and I. And here she asks, what's your vibe? So this is our third option. And here I will use what she said in her bio about the kind of man that she loves. So she said something along the lines of, I like someone who opens the door for me and doesn't do 50-50. I tell her, oh, you like someone who's confident, masculine, and takes initiatives. To which she responds, show me. That's good. That's amazing. She tells us, show me that you're that man. Okay. And so what do I respond to that? I tell her, I'll show you that. You're going to love the idea I have in mind for our first date, which is the step number 3 already. Teasing the date proposition. Obviously here, there's only one possible answer for her. She will say, tell me, what do you have in mind for our first date? And so here, usual date proposition, you know the drill. Best recipe, cocktails, classy bar, fun talks, and me charming you throughout the night while you tell me about, and here insert something that she says in her bio. She loves sushi and has a thing for flossing, so I put this in parentheses. And to our date proposition, she responds, sounds like a good time. And also, do you floss? Like, yes, I do. That's none of your business, girl. It confirms the date proposition. What can I do? Make myself rare. Same drill as the other videos, but there's a little plot twist here with her response. So I tell her, when's the last time you had a super fun date with a man you ended up completely charmed by? To which she responds, that's a personal question. My god, what do we do? But she also says, maybe you can tell me when the next time will be. That is amazing, which basically translates to, you'll probably be my next time. When are you taking me out on a date? So I tell her, the next time will be when you tell me your schedule and availabilities. I'll pick the best time suited for us. So still keep that masculine frame up. You tell me your schedule and availabilities and I choose the dates. So she said, I'm available Thursday and Saturday night. So obviously here I pick the closest dates. Thursday it is then. Do you have WhatsApp? And she gives me her WhatsApp so we can deal with the logistics.